said.
Alright. Play. It's not. It's frozen.
It's frozen.
It's not working.
It's not working.
Oh, get it to work.
It worked in practice. Yeah, delete. Yeah, that's not anything.
Ben, this is your thing, man.
Hey, you know what?
That commercial.
Hey, I'll just do it. I'll do it live.
You do it live? You can't do it live.
No, you can't.
I
do
can't.
It.
No,
You
it's
don't
okay.
have the. You don't have the thing.
Yeah, you have the
I'll
tea
mine.
on
I'll
you.
mine. Okay, so anyways, we're at Bilo, and there's this brand of tea underneath the hot chicken. It's called Easy Tea.
I bought it.
Hey, Jeremiah bought. We always remember to make. So anyways, it's
It kind of loses it when you describe it.
Yeah.
well, they need to know. Let's go. So it looks really Japanese. So we made this
Just give it a
commercial,
shot.
right? And the commercial is like, oh, it's an easy tea. It's a very good. It's another difficult tea.
Dude, that's like being a little racist.
It just.
Well, in the commercial, I had my hair black, and I'm kind of like wearing like a more.
And that makes sense.
Now we're describing.
Well, okay. So the kicker is I had this like really high pitched Japanese voice, and it's like it's available at many stores.
I don't know, buddy. It's
Man, just stop.
it's over.
Easy tea. To strike.
Father, is that you? Yep. Forgive me, Father, for I have sinned.
Whoa. Big batter on the plate.
I just feel like it's been a while since I've been in here, but I feel like, a lot of things have changed since I started high school.
Oh, curveball.
Yeah, a lot of things have just kind of thrown themselves at me. A lot more temptations, and I don't feel like I'm holding up very well. I feel like
Slider.
yeah, I'm just sliding back towards sin down that slippery slope. Yep. Especially sexual temptation. It got weird the other night. I went on a date with this girl, Mary.
Foul ball. Oh,
Come on. I mean, it started out normal enough. It was just dinner and it was polite conversation, but...
oh, what's up? Oh, first base.
Yeah, that did happen.
Oh, second base.
Yeah, that happened too.
Third base, rounded third.
You always know, Father.
Home run! Yes! Yes!
No. Nope. What should my penance be, Father?
Penance. Rub some dirt on it. No pain, no gain.